Hey there, everybody. My name is Eric, also known as Red Tiller 1975 on YouTube, and this is the Christmas saw from Boedy, also known as Novice Lumberjack, and I was the fortunate winner of his Christmas giveaway saw, and I thought I would do an unboxing, something I've never done before, but I thought that this occasion warranted doing an unboxing video. Okay, so here we go. Very well packaged. And let's see what we can find here. Some fire starting stuff. Oh, there's a chain and a scrunch. Some more packing material. And, well, here's a bar. Let's see what it looks like. And there's the Echo Timberwolf bar. Looks very nice. And here we have the Echo Direwolf, as Novice Lumberjack calls it, with the BPS cut above sticker here, the performance. It's got a Direwolf CS 590 sticker here, and the man glitter, another Boedy performance sauce on the side, on the cover, and there's a nice Direwolf sticker right there. And look at that, a hammerhead exhaust. I've been really wanting to try one of these. I've never run an Echo 590 before, and you can see here, this is a project saw I've been working on lately. It's a Poland Countervibe 3700. It's got an oiling problem, but we'll get that taken care of, and we'll get that one cutting. You can see some other vintage Polands on my YouTube channel, the Red Tiller 1975, and I really like running the old Polands. But here, let's see if we can get a bar and chain on this. Get these bar nuts off. See if we can get this set up to run. I'm not gonna run it tonight. This just showed up. I'm not even sure what time it is. It's, I don't know, probably 6:30 my Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to be snowing here real soon, so I'd rather run this during the daytime. But so let's see if we can get this barred up. There's a bar. Chain here. Come on. Where is screws right there? There we go. Okay. It fits right on. No need to move the adjustment screw. It's in the right spot, at least to get it started. All right. Get one of these snugged up just a little bit. All right, I can't see what I'm doing. I got to turn it around. Okay, let's tighten it up a little bit. And lined up. Yeah, chain tension seems pretty good. And I'm really looking forward to running this. Like I said, I've never run an any Echo chainsaw, so it should be fun. And I just want to say thank you to Boedy. I never expected to win, you know, with the competition that he had. To win it was really neat, and was able to come up with the right answers, and surprisingly was the first one to do it. I couldn't believe it. It was pretty neat. There we go. Look at that chain all barred up. Beautiful looking saw, and it's got good compression. Look forward to running it tomorrow, as long as we don't get too much snow. We're looking at, well, they're saying anywhere between 12 and 24 inches. So I'm not sure exactly how much we're going to get, but we're going to definitely get some. Okay, thank you. Well, I came upstairs out of the basement and looked outside, and it wasn't snowing yet, so I figure we're going to put some gas in this and see if I can get it to start up. I'm sure it's not going to run the same as it did for Boedy, because it's pretty cold here, but we're going to at least try to get it to fire. And in case you're wondering, Boedy, I did take the paper towels out of the gas tank. That was a nice way to ship it, so that it would absorb any residual gas that was in the tank. But here we go. See if we can get it to start. Fired right up. Sounds great. I don't have any piped chainsaws. You know, this one's got the hammer-headed pipe on it. It is considerably louder than any of the other chainsaws I have, except for an old 1960 Remington Super 75. That by far is the loudest chainsaw that I have. An 82cc chainsaw that from the factory came with just a piece of metal to make the exhaust turn a corner, but otherwise it is wide open. There is no type of muffler on that at all. And that's a cool running old saw, but this, boy, starts right up. Sounds great. Look forward to when I can get it into a piece of wood and do some cutting. Thank you, Boedy. This is fantastic. I don't know how to thank you. I'm sure I'll come up with something. Thank you again. This is fantastic. Thank you.